Alrighty guys, today we're going to put together the Mainstays 5-foot 11-inch floor lamp. This one does not have the reading lamp attached to it. This is just a straight up and down lamp. So we'll get that together, see if she's easy to do. She should be. We'll put a link for this down below in the description if you want to check it out, because just because you're watching a video doesn't mean you have one. You need to know how to put it together. You might be looking to see if it is easy to put together before you buy. Anyway, it comes with instructions, a whole bunch of these metal rod things. This, and of course, your plastic. Okay, now let's try to get this guy out of here. This is the base of it, so hip hooray for that. Get this off to the side here. Yeah, we're sticking to everything, right? Okay. So you got your base, right? Where you start from. But you're gonna go ahead and, I think we learned from the last one, just pull this through up to your first rod that you're gonna put in. Close that gap or that stuff out there. And this is all tangled. Ooh. The other one was not. So we're just gonna drop that down, put that line out upright, straight, and get her tightened in there, right? From there, just pull that wire or cord through some more. Put your plastic off there, line that guy up, and tighten him in there too. Or her, I didn't ask. Do you identify as a, what do you identify as? It says pizza. Alright, pull your plastic off the next piece. Pull that through just a little bit more. Line that up. Sorry, you just let it come out the top. If you didn't pull enough down through the bottom. Because we can fix that here in a minute. Whenever we pull more through. So, off to the side again, pull more through. And this time, I don't know, are we off screen? And then you just, same thing. Although make sure you get them in straight, right? You don't want to misthread this stuff. If you misthread it, it's going to come out both ends, or it's going to come out of the top end before it comes out of the bottom end. Which then you got to take it out of both and then line it back up and then get it straightened back up. But it's just not worth the effort. It's worth the effort to make sure you get it in straight in the first place, right? Of course, if you're like me, your hand always moves off to the side, and that causes you to misthread easily. But if you just take your time, get it lined up, and then tighten it down, it's not that big of a deal. Alright, so we gotta get more of this out of here. There we go. Just pull more of that through. Get that off the side a little bit. And just gonna keep going, right? I mean, it's all connected, so it's not like, you don't have to go, which piece goes where? No, it's all connected right through the cord. Your top piece here. Of course, you should probably pull that through just a little bit more. Gonna be kind of difficult there, right? There we go. We got her. And then, again, just make sure she's going in straight. And this one does not want to go in. Why does this not want to go in, huh? Why? We'll take the plastic piece off for that. And then we're gonna, there we go. Okay. So that plastic sheathing on the outside is rotating a little bit, so we went ahead and grabbed around where the socket goes, or the light bulb goes. Alright, so now we already took the plastic piece off, so you put your little shade on here, and then you put your plastic piece on. Flat side goes down towards the inside of it. Just rotate that down and get that in there. Right? Now she's together. All we got to do at this point is add a light bulb and plug her in. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. If you could, give us a like. If you feel like subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, go ahead. It's free. And of course, if you want to comment if it helped you out, or if it helped you out. I mean, be positive, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.